Hello everybody, this is Emmanuel. I'm tuning in this time just to show you guys my improved caffeine, the ignored drug PowerPoint presentation. Like a lot of you guys pointed out, the poster board, although it had a lot of information on it and it really did attract attention from the audience, it was a little clustered. It was a little bit hard to read at times. It was hard to determine what facts belong to which item at times, and sometimes it was also hard to be able to read the information from the poster board, partly because some of it was written in different colored ink, and other times just because the of the orientation of the word. So that's the first slide. This, as you can see, is a slide dedicated to caffeinated drinks. I tried to choose drinks that were a little bit more common to the audience, to this specific audience, our classroom. So I chose a few that I'm sure many of you will know. And I tried to clearly label each drink individually so that the letters would contrast against the background of the slide a little bit easier. It's a bit hard to see with the contrast and the lighting in the room currently. But I organized this slide into drinks. The second slide I organized caffeinated meds and supplements. I figured that a lot of students wouldn't really be using caffeine pills, so I looked for a different medication with caffeine in the ingredients, and one that I found was Tylenol Daily Relief, and then just a pre-workout supplement that I'm sure a lot of you guys use as well. Again, with the specific caffeine contents per serving, and I tried to organize it in a way that was a little bit easier to track than we had in the original poster board. And then finally, just a few foods with caffeine content in them as well. Not as easy to find as I thought it was initially going to be, but I have the Snickers Charge Bar, which has some caffeine, dark chocolate, which has quite a bit of caffeine, and then finally a cola nut, which has surprisingly a large amount of caffeine per nut. So again, I just tried to organize things a little bit better, make things a little bit easier for the audience to see, and that involved making sure that I had clear writing and legible font. Perhaps something I could have done a little bit better for this presentation was just increasing the size of the font. But having that that lighter background with a dark print, I feel like really helps.